Well, hello, good people. Mark Holmes here, and as always, I want to thank you all for watching, commenting, subscribing, and being part of the Joe Boo Sports Report, as well as Joe Boo's day job. We are here working on this unit from hell, and this is week number 5. In fact, on Thursday, we have an inspection for the person to try and actually get moved in. So we're actually burning the midnight oil here, trying to get all this stuff done. You know, it's been crazy because you remember how much stuff was in here and the way it looked and stuff. This room is kind of our junk room right now. We've got, the last of the carpet paddings in here and stuff, but we're working our way through to get ourselves out of here. You'll remember I was building some cabinets at my workshop, and here we are. We added on the cabinet that's extra deep above the refrigerator to box it in. So this way you're not trying to reach all the way back in here. When you open up the door, you at least have everything close to where you can use it. And we added this cabinet right here as well to just give you another cabinet to finish it off, basically to frame up the window. And we needed one more cabinet here because originally there was a dishwasher in here, but the people before us ended up taking the dishwasher out and got an oversized refrigerator. So the next thing I've got to do is working on getting the countertops. We got some pre-made countertops outside, and I've got to get some more pieces just to shore it up and stuff, but you can see how we've got the layout. Excuse me. Our stove that we bought that was used, we'll get a microwave tomorrow from Home Depot. But the kitchen is definitely shaping up. The floor, albeit dirty, this is our floor that we put down. The laminate flooring that is actually the plastic throughout. So this can actually take moisture in there and not be a problem. Of course, we ended up painting in here, and we ended up changing the door. Tomorrow we'll put the molding up in place. And here's what we've been doing actually the last 2 days. Yesterday and early this morning. Bam! We've got all the carpet laid. Thank you, Jesus. It looks so much better in here because you remember seeing the old floor, which is dirty and stained and everything else. It is in here. We just got to hang the doors back up in place. No biggie right there. But definitely looks a lot better. As you look down the hallway here, it looks nice and clean. I am not a great carpet person per se. My seams are a bit of a problem, but I actually rented as opposed to the regular kicker, it's a full room stretcher, and use that instead, and that actually ended up making it a lot easier to really stretch and pull the stuff tight. There's actually 3 seams down the hallway here, but you have to look really, really hard to find them. So that actually feels pretty good, or at least I feel pretty good about that. And here, of course, our tools. But again, we got the carpet on here. We got the door, at least the closet door, back up in place in this room. Need to put this door up. In the bathroom, we ended up changing the exhaust fan. This light here has a lot of light in here. This bathroom is nice and bright. We just need to put up the medicine cabinet. Plenty of light throughout here. New vanity. Just got a caulk and seal it. Water actually already. Bam. Hot and cold water. So we're good there. And then in this room, again, we got the doors back up in place in here. We've got the carpet laid in here. All we have left to do in this space is put our vent covers back in place. We got the nice new ceiling fan that's in place. Carpet wall to wall. And I need to just put the trim back on the windows here and caulk that. So coming down the tail end side of this, but it's definitely beginning to look like a home. You know, the nice ceiling white, the cream color on the walls. Of course, that's trash. And then this is behind. That's the old exhaust fan. And our new medicine cabinet that'll go up. New shower head. Carpet throughout. Down through there. New light fixture up in there. Get the vents back up in place. And again, as you can see, it's all coming together bit by bit. And we changed the light fixture, so that gives you a better look at all of the cabinets that are in here. So it's a good amount of space for storage and stuff. and we'll put a double sink in. So 5 weeks from what you guys saw, and we had structural damage with the floors that had to be redone. We ended up taking up subflooring in the master bedroom, this room in here, and the kitchen floor. We actually were working on that last week. So to see the kitchen cabinets back in place and the floor down makes me actually feel really, really good about where we are right now. So this is a look at our rental property from hell. It's almost turning into heaven. Hope you guys are having a great day, and definitely hit the like button if you like what you see. We'll be doing all kinds of stuff. We have the red brick house that we're going to be working on next. That's going to be the big kahuna for us to take care of. 200-year-old house that has a lot of work to do, and I'm looking forward to getting finished with this one so we can get over there and start working on that. Hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you soon.